Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. First off the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at www.patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. This video is not gonna take too long. I think we're basically gonna keep pushing up. SPY, I think, where's SPY at? SPY right now is above channel. I think we're going to 488. I already told the chat yesterday 488, 489 is where I think we're going. I do not think, I mean, you could do something like this, right? Where you like retrace here and then like you push up to 488. Like that. Whoops. There we go. Something like that. Or you can just go straight up to 488. But I don't think we're coming down to 471 unless there's like this huge piece of news or something, right? Unless there's like a really big piece of news, I don't think we're gonna come back. Next, and the next spot for me, I think, right, if you break these highs, probably going to next target is gonna be for maybe like 490-ish, and also 490 like 7 or something, right? That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, I mean, this is basically a trigger on to go down, right? And you're still running all the way up. You're just going sideways. So I think we're gonna keep pushing right now on SPX, right? You're on trend, right? Still on trend. You know, I still think you're gonna push up a little bit harder before coming back down. This trend still is gonna hold up pretty decently, I think. There you go. And like I said, when we look at the NASDAQ, the same thing. See, NASDAQ, you already broke mid-trend. NASDAQ, you're probably going to like a 17,539, QQQ. Do I have any? Yeah, same thing. Yeah, you still got some little bit more to go on that upper trend, right? But again, for SPY, right, I'm definitely more bullish than bearish right now. You've just been trading sideways really on this like bear trigger, right? So unless you go like super sideways all the way up to like, you know, Friday, which I doubt, and I don't even know if there's news, right? I don't know if there's news or not, but you know, I think at most you might come back down to like here to like a 480 and then push up, or you might just push up now, right? So like I said, either you come back down and retest this and push up, or you just go straight up here to 488, 489. And again, that's just, you know, very direct, very basic TA. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Wait, do we have another channel here? Let me double check first. I know SPY loves channel, so we'll see this real quick. Boom. We'll add that here. Yeah, I mean, you already broke channel to the upper side, right? So there you go. So you're already retesting. Yeah, that channel holds up. So you're already retesting here, right? So as of right now, you know, like I said, you either come down here and push up, right? Or from here, you just go straight up to like, and probably here, somewhere like a little bit higher, maybe like 490 or something. I don't know, right? Because you do have this upper channel, right? That's still pretty viable, right? Look at that. Still pretty accurate. So definitely expecting somewhere between like 490 and 488, 489, somewhere around this range to hit, possibly later this week, going on to next week. So yeah, I'm definitely, you know, definitely more bullish towards the upper end than the lower end. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.